Hello everyone, cut the hairs by putting two strands together and cut it like this. Now after that, join the hairs all together and then cut it in the front. Now in the sides, we will give it a shape like this in the slanting way and then make the space in the between and then fold it using the hair straightener like this and fix it. Now it's done. Next, we will make the shape in the hairs like this. So first take few strands and cut it like this in the between. Cut it very carefully. Watch the video very carefully how we are cutting it as this needs very much of professionalism. Now give it a heart-like shape from the top and then fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs in the front or you can just put two strands and cut them together. Now put the hairs in the front and cut it like this. Give it a slanting way and make the space in the between by cutting it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Now you can fold it using the hair straightener, design it as per your choice. You can curl it if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, tie the hairs or just leave it like this in the front and cut it in the between little bit like this. Now give it a shape in the tilted way. Now cut it from the between, fix it from the sides and then cut it in the slanting way from each side and it's ready. You can make the space in the between by cutting it. Fold it using the straightener like this. Give it a shape and it's ready. I hope you liked it. You can curl it if you want, otherwise it's done. Next, we will tie the hairs or just leave few section in the front and then tie it like this or just put it upside and cut it by this. Make these strands in few sections and cut them one by one. Now fold them using the roller like this and curl them and it's ready. Next, we will cut the hairs in this style. So for that we have to fix the scissor and cut it little bit like this. After cutting it, leave few sections of the hairs from the sides and cut them one by one by leaving 1 inch from each side like this. Give it a design in the slanting way and then fix it by cutting it from the between and it's ready. Next, fix the hairs in the front like this. So for that we will roll the hairs together and cut it using the scissor. Now again follow the same step for a few sections of the strands on both the sides. Cut the hairs very carefully. Make the space in the between by putting the scissors in the between like this. Now fold the hairs using the hair straightener like this or curl it little bit and it's ready. Next, we will fix the hairs in the front in the same manner like this. Now, so using the scissor, cut the hairs in the same line like this. Cut it carefully and make them in the same line and then cut it from the between to make the frills carefully and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs together or just fix them together like this and cut it one by one using the scissors. Cut it in the slanting way from both the sides and put the scissors in the between and cut it. And it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.